Question number 3 of this exercise says that a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meters is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meters by 14 meters. We have to find the height of the platform. So let's draw a figure to visualize the shapes better, and this is how the figure of the question will look like. So the cylinder which is drawn here is the well, which has got a diameter of 7 meters, so its radius will be equal to 7 by 2 meters, and its height, which is the depth, will be equal to 20 meters. Now the soil which is dug out from the well will be spread out evenly to form a platform which will be in the shape of a cuboid with length 22 meters, breadth 14 meters, and height capital H, which we have to find. So we know that the volume of the soil which is dug out from the well will be equal to the volume of the cylinder. So with this information, we can write that the volume of the cylinder, which can be written by the formula pi r square h, will be equal to the volume of the cuboidal platform, which will be L times B times capital H. So by rearranging, we get capital H to be equal to pi r square h divided by LB. Now let's substitute the values that we know. So we write it as 22 by 7 times 7 by 2 times 7 by 2. The height of the well is, or the depth of the well is 20. This whole is divided by 22 times 14. So we can cancel out 7 and 7, 2 and 10, 2 and 11. And finally, we get the answer as 5 by 2 meters, which equals 2.5 meters. So the height of the platform will be equal to 2.5 meters, and this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.